Good morning, class. Yesterday we have discussed about the organizational objectives and social objective of management. Today we are going to discuss about the personal or human objective of management. So it is very common, you know it very well, that there are some individual objective of the management, which are: first is competitive salary. Whenever any employee is working in the organization, it is the responsibility of the management that it should provide competitive salary. Competitive salary means whatever salary the same other company or organization is providing to their employee. Clear? Second one is personal growth and development, that is promotion and training. It is the responsibility of the management that it should provide opportunity to its employee to grow. It is not like that employee should work only for the organization. It is also responsibility of the organization that it should provide chance to its employee for the growth. It should also provide promotion and arrange training time to time for their development. After that, third one is peer recognition. Peer recognition means, peer means person who is working at your same level. Clear? So it is the responsibility of the organization that there should be a self respect and respect for the colleagues among the employee. They should inculcate that habit that there should not be any discrimination and there should not be any higher or lower level. If they are working on the same level, then all should get equal respect. After that, social recognition. It is also responsibility of the management that it should provide social recognition. And the last one is good and healthy working condition. The working condition should be healthy and good. It is not like that whatever is the working condition, employee has to work. Now that situation is not applicable. Okay, bachcho, these were some objective of management. After that, next topic is importance of management. How management is important. So first important point of the management is management helps in achieving group goal. We are studying the characteristics of the management, that management is a goal oriented process. So management tries to integrate the objective of individual along with the organizational goals. Management direct the efforts of all the individuals in the common direction of achieving organizational goals. Clear, bachcho? So whatever goal has been made by the organization, it should work towards its achievement. After that, management improves efficiency. Managers try to reduce the cost and improve productivity with the minimum wastage of resources. Management insists on efficiency and effectiveness in the working through planning, organizing, staffing, directing, and controlling. We know these are the 5 functions of management, and through these 5 functions, management try to improve the efficiency of the labor. And when the efficiency of the labor and effectiveness of the labor increases, the product will be produced at minimum cost with minimum wastage. Clear? Then management create a dynamic organization. Dynamic means changing rapidly. So organization have to survive in dynamic environment. So manager keep making changes in the organization to match the environmental changes. The employees in the organization are generally resistant to change. Yes, it is a human nature that if any change is happening in the society, then all the member of the society are resist to accept that change. But if same thing is happening in the management, then same thing is happening in the organization, then management of that organization effect motivate all the employees so that they can easily accept the changes. Clear? After that, management helps in achieving personal objectives. Yes, an efficient manager is one who brings maximum prosperity for employer as well as employees. Manager lead to the people in such a manner that along with organizational goal, individual goal of employee is also achieved. An organizational goal and individual goal are in one direction only. Individual wants to earn more in organization wants to earn maximum production. So employee can earn more by producing more. This will fulfill the objective of the both groups. Yes, if organization want to earn more profit, then definitely employee will require the higher earning, but management should adjust like that. If employees are making growth, then organization will also grow, or if organization is growing, then employee will also grow. This should be the tendency of the management. Then management help in development of society. Yes, efficient management always has multiple objectives as they give due importance to social obligation towards different group of people such as employee, customer, supplier, etc. It insists on providing quality goods, competitive salary, create employment opportunity, etc. By increasing production, management also contribute to increase in GDP and lead to the growth of nation. We have just discussed that there are some responsibility of the management towards society, and here it is told that it helps in development of the society by providing different type of facilities, employment opportunities, etc. Okay, I hope all these functions are, all this importance of management are clear to you. If you have any doubt, then you can ask. Okay, thank you so much.